Hello guys and welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Muhammad. Today we are going to fix a very annoying issue in Antigravity. The agent terminated due to error. First thing you need to do is to download a stable Antigravity version. I highly recommend version 1.19.5, which is the one I personally use because it's very stable. You just go to the Antigravity download website and click on view previous releases, and you should use this version right here and click on download Windows X64. Okay, after download, go to your download folder and just right click on it and run as administrator and install it. After installing, you must stop the auto update feature so it doesn't force the new buggy version on you. Okay, so to do that, you just have to click on this setting button and click on editor settings. After that, type update. You will find all of these things. Click on update mode, click on none, choose none. And also auto check updates, uncheck this option also, okay? It must be like this. Then you have to restart Antigravity. Do all of these things fast before it downloads the latest version for you. So after we fixed the auto update option, you will face another problem. It will tell you this version is no longer supported because we are using an older version. So I made a video before for you how to fix this error. If you didn't saw it, I will do the same thing again right now. So check carefully. You just have to go to this location by going to C, then users, then your username, AppData, local, programs, Antigravity, resources app. You will find this folder. It's called product.json. You will just right click and edit with Notepad or any text editor you have, and you will find this IDE version line. You must change it to the latest version of Antigravity. And for us here right now in this date, the latest version is 1.23.2. Okay, so to fix it, you just have to write 1.23.2 and click on File, Save, and Close. Okay, now you fixed the second problem of the older version of Antigravity. Now we downloaded a stable version and we fixed the auto update, and we fixed also the version is no longer supported error. Now the second tip you want to do, you need to avoid global rush hours. Antigravity relies heavily on server capacity, so try to use it when most people around the world are asleep. The less traffic there is, the faster and more stable the service will be. Third, if you are still getting the terminated error, try using a VPN. VPN sometimes changing your connection region can bypass local server bottlenecks, and it should fix the problem instantly. Finally, if all else fails, you should try deleting a specific Antigravity folder by going right here. You just go to C, users, then your username, AppData, roaming, Antigravity, and you must delete this Antigravity folder. Okay, after you delete it, it should be fixed. I got another pro tip here. Always use a workspace by going to open Agent Manager and open Workspace and choose a workspace and use it from here, not from the this chat. Okay. When you do, every time you delete this AppData folder, re-add your workspace, Antigravity will automatically restore all the chats that were linked to that specific workspace folder. So you will not lose any of your work. That's it for today. I hope these fixes worked for you. If they did, please hit that like button. It really helps the video reach more people who might be struggling with the same issues. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.